4 profitability formulas that you need to know as a business. So I've got it written down here. The first one, it's return on capital employed, so ROCE, which is profit before tax over share capital, your reserves, and your non-current liabilities, okay? And then the second one is your net profit margin, which is profit before interest and tax over revenue. And then your next one is asset turnover, so your revenue over share capital and reserves and non-current liabilities again. And then your gross margin, which is your gross profit over revenue. So these are 4 different profitability formulas which you should know, or your accountant should know, to be able to bring your business to the next level. Each one has its own value, so if you want to Google what they show and compare like the percentages, etc., feel free to do that, and then why each one is important as well. So yeah, and then your liquidity formula, which is your current, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liquidity formulas. Your number 1 is your current ratio, so your current assets over your current liabilities, which shows how much you can pay off in terms of your liabilities. And then your quick ratio, which is also called an acid test, is your current assets minus your inventory over your current liabilities. Then your inventory turnover is your inventories over the cost of sales times 365 days, or your inventory over cost of sales is number of times in terms of turnover. Then you have your trade receivable days, which is your trade receivables over your credit sales times by 365 days. And then you also have your trade payable days, which is your trade payables over credit purchases times 365 days. And then you have 2 gearing ratios, or 1 gearing ratio, which is your debt over equity, and it's your interest bearing debt over share capital and reserves. And you also have your operating margin as well, which is your ops expenses over revenue. So if you want me to go into detail about what each formula means, then give this video a like. But these are just formulas which we need to know as an accountant, that will help kind of any business, and it will help you compare your business not just within industry but outside of industries as well. So say for example you're a boutique, it will help you compare your business to Coca-Cola, for example. And yeah, so hope you like this video, just a refresher of all these formulas. And if you ever want these formulas calculated for your business, I can obviously help do that, me and my team. So yeah, cool. See you guys later for the next one. Bye.